So apparently, Demarai Gray is heading back to the Premier League. But what has happened? What really happened with him in the Saudi League? That's the question. Welcome back, people, to MG Sports TV. Thank you very much again for tuning in. Really appreciate it. We're going to discuss Demarai Gray and his potential transfer move in this January window back to the Premier League. And what does it mean for the Reggae Boyz? For me personally, I'm happy that it's happening. I'm glad that it happened. Before we go into the details of the video, let me tell you why I'm very happy that's going to happen. There has been a significant drop-off in his performance since he went to the Saudi League. It's what I have seen. It's my opinion. It's just what I've seen over the duration. Fine, he scored 2 goals in the last campaign. But if you really and truly watch a game, just watch the context of the game, you can get 2 tap in. Fine, you have to be in a position to score. But the overall performance, miscontrolled, mispass, now running, time running good, lack of work rate, what a difference in. But he scored 2 goals, fine. But for me, personally, I do think that since he has gone to the Saudi League, his performances has made a huge drop. Before we go in the article, let me give some details. Now, he has made so far, last season he had 23 appearances, 4 goals, 4 assists. Now people might say that, you know, well, basically at 25 appearances. People are going to say 4 goals, 4 assists, new in the league. Give him time. Now, this season is where things got way worse. So far, 6 appearances, 1 assist. And the assist actually came in a cup competition. But not just the appearances and not just the amount of lack of goals or lack of assists. His performances are very much subpar. Him just not look, I'm not sure. We can also factor that he had a major injury. He had an injury during that phase there, and he was trying to play through the injury, also trying to recover from the injury. So that could play a part. But consistently, the performances have been subpar from what I've seen. You guys can even when you come play for Jamaica, you can see it. Before and after, you could clearly see. You could clearly see it. Because let's go. I'm going to the article here now. Let me get into the article. Demarai Gray has told Al Ettifaq he wants to leave next month amid interest from Fulham. Ooh, remember, say, Steven Gerrard was keen on bringing in and having Demarai Gray at the club, you know. So, because see, the Saudi club's boss Steven Gerrard is backing a sale at the right price for the Jamaican winger, and the club wants 5 million. Wow. 5 million pounds. What? Yeah. Well, you get a Premier League experience winger. So, you know, we'll see. Gray, 28, has not settled since his 8 million move from Everton last year. His family's in England and he wants a Premier League return. Fulham held talks with Gray before he moved to Saudi, and manager Marco Silva is still keen. The Portuguese coach has led Fulham to 8th place in the top flight and will be given money for January transfer window to boost the squad now targeting European qualification. Going to market a player like Demarai Gray, he has the experience, he has the know-how, he has the championship as well. So, and I think, well, 5 million, I'm not sure they won't get 5 million. I'm not sure they might get 5 million, but that's what the club want. But that's fair value. That's fair value for a 28-year-old with Premier League experience as well. Who have been there, done that. So I think that's fair value. So maybe that's a gamble we're taking. But maybe might see, hopefully might see if he makes this move, we might see a rise in his performances back again. Let's continue. Crystal Palace and Besiktas also showed interest. Maybe struggle to pronounce that. Also showed interest in Grays previously before he opted to move to Saudi. So let's make it clear, yeah? These Premier League clubs and top European clubs are looking at it before he made the club, before he made the move to Saudi. We don't know the Saudi thing already. The influx of cash. Hard to put up that. 1 year of the influx of cash, then back on the scene again. You know what? We have to eat. We have a career to look after. He scored 12 goals in 75 games for Everton, and has had spells at Bayern Leverkusen and Leicester City after starring for Birmingham at that early age. Fulham could fund a move for Gray by selling want-away star Andres Pereira. Interesting Andres Pereira. Brazilian side Palmeiras are tracking Pereira and have reportedly made a £14 million bid for his services. But it's understood that Fulham will only consider selling if the midfielder requests a transfer. Pereira was dropped from the side earlier this month after reportedly stated it would be very cool to join Marseille amid interest from the French club. Feelings don't carry. Pereira is a good player. I think Pereira is actually a really good player. But not, you know, it's really good to have players in a team that aspire to play for the biggest clubs in the world. I don't think something is really wrong with that. I really don't really see something really wrong with that. But these are all reports according to the Sun, and multiple transfer outlets now are reporting the same. And you know, let's check out and see how this one materializes. Fulham, not a bad move. I do think that there will be a lot of offers on the table, especially this January, and I do believe that Fulham want to sustain themselves in the mid-table section. So going for Demarai Gray, I think that's some shrewd business, that's some good business. But the thing is, will Demarai Gray find back that bit of form before that he went down to the Saudi League with? And if that should happen in going back to the Premier League, it would be better for us as Reggae Boyz supporters, because that in itself would actually hopefully improve back his performances that I have seen dipped in my perspective. Many might not see it that way. But tell us your thing in the comment section. Big up on yourself, smash the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again. Until next time, MG Sports TV, we're out. God bless. Boom, like, share, and subscribe. Now.